Hello and welcome to the Acoustic Design Systems YouTube channel. My name is Ron Martin, and in this video I will show you how simple it is to replace the backup battery for your alarm system. In this demonstration, we will show you how to change the battery for a Honeywell system. However, this will apply to almost any alarm system with a centralized alarm panel like this one. If you have a centralized system, the alarm panel would typically be located in the coat closet of your home. When there is a problem, if you have a touchscreen like this one, go to the security settings, system troubles, and here it shows there's a low battery. If you have a keypad on your system, it simply shows BAT for battery on the display. Once you've verified that the issue is your backup battery, the next step will be to identify which battery you have. There are two typical battery sizes that might be in your system. There is a 4 or 5 amp hour battery, which is a smaller size like this one, or the 7 amp hour battery, which is physically larger like this one. Now that you have identified which battery you have, you just need to purchase the battery like the one currently in your system. We have provided links below to the two different sizes of batteries. Once you've received your new battery, the process of replacing the battery is very simple. There are only two wires connected to the battery. One red for positive and black for negative. All you need to do is remove the wires from the old battery, take your new battery, and it will typically have some sort of protective cap on the terminal. Take those off, and be sure to replace the red positive to the red positive, and the black negative to black negative. And that's it. Once you've replaced the battery, you'll need to clear the trouble code from your system. On the touchscreen, you'll go to Security, More Choices, and Console Mode. This brings up a simulated keypad. From here, you'll disarm the system twice using your 4-digit code and the number 1, your 4-digit code, and the number 1 again. Once that's done, you can leave this screen, go back to Home, go back to Security, and now it's gone. On a keypad, once you've replaced your battery, to clear the trouble code, you simply disarm the system twice, just like on the touchscreen. So you enter your 4-digit code and the number 1 2 times. Once you've done that, it will take just a few seconds and the battery indication will go away. Now, if you don't feel comfortable doing this yourself, don't worry, because you can always call us or go online to our website at www.adslv.com to set up a service call with one of our skilled technicians. We'll link the website below. We hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification button to be notified every time we post new helpful videos like this one. Thanks again.